Is your Buick Envision refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Statistics show that 80% of these connectivity failures are just simple software handshakes that need a quick reset. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start by checking your cable, removing your phone from the car's memory, and performing a hard reboot of the infotainment unit. Check your iPhone for pending updates and ensure that USB accessories are fully authorized in your privacy settings. If software is fine, check your charging port for pocket lint and verify the car's USB port isn't physically damaged. Most fixes are DIY, but if the port is physically dead or the module is failing, professional service becomes necessary. As you can see, simply swapping your cable solves almost half of all reported connection issues. If you're still stuck, test with a different phone or check your fuse box before heading to the dealer for a firmware flash. Keep a basic kit on hand, including compressed air and a quality cable to rule out the most common hardware failures. Remember that your connection is only as good as the weakest link, which is usually the cable or a corrupt software cache. If these steps fixed your Envision, hit subscribe for more troubleshooting tips to keep your tech running smoothly.